Hello, this video just showing you how to make a paper star like this one. And you can get strips like these at any Asian stationery place like Hello Kitty or any Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Vietnamese store that it seems like they sell paper goods and stuff like that. Each of this is about 50 or 60 strips, 10 inches long. Some are like 1/3 of an inch or half an inch like this one. And so, and each package like this is about $1 or $1.50. So I will show you how to make one of them right now. And it's very easy. Here's a strip and you just make a loop, one simple loop, and try to make it into a pentagon. So, like this. See? You adjust it until you think it's good enough. All the sizes seem to fit. Like this. And you fold it. There. See, try to keep it as the shape of the pentagon. See? And you keep turning until the strip is complete. Like this. And here's the extra you can put in. But this one I'm running a little bit short, so what I can do is I can shorten this a little bit like this. And then I will fold it in. There. You see you have a pentagon. And you press it. Yeah. As you can see. Now you can go back and then you try to make it as sharp. Well, let me see. As sharp as how you want it. Like that.